Wait, you're about to list your Dubai home without doing this? Let's save you from losing 100,000 first. Most sellers just throw their place on Property Finder and pray. But the smart ones, they fix, stage, and price like pros. Here's how. First, play detective. That leaky tap, the chipped tile you ignore, buyers see discount signs. Spend 5K now, add 50K later. Your home should say, "Future me lives here, not my toddler owns this place." Toss the toy pile, add a plant, and boom, instant luxury. No last minute, where's my no-see drama? Off plan. You need developer approval. Rented, Dijari. I'll drop a cheat sheet below. Pricing isn't guesswork. Check what actually sold in your building or community, not just listing dreams. DM me. I'll send you the DLD data. Pro tip, buyers will open your fridge, so hide the chaos. Bake cookies, yes, really, and pretend you're a 5-star hotel. On my free Dubai sellers cheat sheet, comment sold. Save this reel for later. If you're in Dubai and want to chat more about selling your place, no strings attached. Seriously, just DM me. Let's grab that coffee and talk strategy. Share with a house hunting buddy, and follow for more tips. Let's chat.